So I haven't done a food one of these in a very long time, and I thought I'd share one of my favorites that we've been cooking recently, and we're gonna do wings. First, you wanna get wings, obviously, but I buy these from Costco. The packs come pre-cut for you, meaning the wings are separated into their two pieces, and there's 6 of these individual bags, and there's about 13 to 14 wings in each individual pack. This is 2 packs worth, meaning that this entire batch right here will feed my entire family. Here's my setup. I have hot oil in my wok, and I have the raw wings. I'll fry them once on kind of a medium-high heat, kind of about right there. And I'll fry them for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then I'll test the temperature, and then I'll put them here. So the thing you want to do is grab an instant read thermometer like this, poke it to the center, and want to get 165. If you get 165, that is a done wing. Technically, you could eat this. What you'll notice about your wings is that right when you take them out, they'll look semi-crispy in some spots, but in others, they kind of look a little wet, and if you touch them, after they sit for a minute, they're a little bit rubbery, but they feel kind of crispy on it, kind of crispy, but they're like rubbery underneath. But still letting them rest, and then at least until they're lukewarm to the touch, and then we're gonna fry them a second time. Make sure you stir them around really good. When you take them out, they should be golden orange brown like this. This is how they look after being fried the second time. Be super generous with the crazy amazing sauce. You don't want to toss them until every single piece of the wing is just covered in the amazing sauce. I couldn't help myself. I hope you enjoyed this delicious dish.